Hello everyone, this is a recording of the Week 4 quiz for U.S. History. Please make sure you have your quiz open to follow along as you are listening to this recording. Question number 1. What were the strengths and weaknesses of the British and colonial armies? Match the item on the left with the correct description on the right. Items on the left are British Army strength, British Army weakness, colonial army strength, colonial army weakness. Options or descriptions on the right are number 1, most powerful army and navy in the world. Number 2, soldiers deeply committed to independence and motivated to fight. Number 3, had to ship supplies a long distance. And number 4, had no way to raise money to feed and supply troops. Question 2, why were the battles of Trenton and Princeton so important for Washington and the Americans? Huge numbers of British soldiers lost their lives. Americans were able to capture supplies that were necessary for the long winter. They gave Americans confidence that victory over Britain was possible. They established the state of New Jersey as an American stronghold. Question 3, what role did France play in the American Revolution? They organized Native American groups against the British. They provided arms and ammunition to the British soldiers. They sent commanders to train the British Army in winter camps. They sent much-needed financial and naval support, as well as military advisors, to the colonists. Question 4, why was the period that the colonial army spent at Valley Forge known as the darkest hour of the American Revolution? The army dealt with disease, bitter cold, and a lack of supplies during the long winter spent at Valley Forge. The British Army captured George Washington while he was captured at Valley Forge. The colonial army was preparing to surrender to the British while they were at Valley Forge. The colonial army lost French support because of their defeat at Valley Forge. Question 5. How did the colonial army win at the Battle of Yorktown, ending the American Revolution with a victory for the colonists? The colonists had a much larger army than the British. The colonists had better weapons and equipment than the British. With assistance from the French, the colonists were able to surround the city and cut it off from supplies and reinforcements. Or the British made an error and sent their troops to the wrong location. And finally, question 6, despite being one of the most powerful countries in the world, the British lost the war, which is not a reason they lost. The British misjudged the colonists' ability to fight and drive to win. The British did not send enough troops or supplies to the colonies because they were not committed to winning. France assisted the colonies with money, troops, and supplies, where George Washington proved to be a skilled military leader. Remember to hit submit quiz when you are finished. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your teacher. Have a great day. Thank you.